Hello, business owners. We are back, and this is the second video in our workshop. So this is going to get you set up for success. So these are the things that we're going to be using to set up your lead generation system. And you can use, if you have tools that you're familiar with and you're comfortable with that do the same things as this, then you're going to be in good shape. If you would like to get more information on the tools that we use, then all you need to do is just click on the element that you're interested in, and it will take you to more information. So if you need to get back to the lead generation workshop, maybe you want to review some things or you forgot how to get there or whatever, you're going to be able to use this link to get to the workshop. If you are interested in the landing page, the site landing page builder that we use Thrive Suite. And if you want more information on that, all you got to do is click right here. It's going to take you out to a page that shows you everything you need to know about Thrive Suite, what you can do with it, and how you can get it. If you need an email marketing provider, this is an article on email marketing providers and how all of this works. So it not only gives you the information on email marketing providers, but it tells you how email marketing works to help you reach your business goals. You're going to need an API connection. So if you have a site builder, that site builder should enable you to set up an API connection. And actually, I think that goes through your email marketing provider. So it doesn't necessarily go through your site builder, it goes through your email marketing provider. So your API is called an API key, and we're going to walk you through. If you click on this link, it's going to take you to a video that shows you how to set up the API connection. Now, this might sound a little complicated, but it really isn't. This connection is going to enable your site builder or your landing page builder to talk to your email marketing provider, because your email marketing provider is going to be storing all these, emails and names and things like that. That's what your email marketing provider does. They store all those pieces of information for you. And so you want, when someone fills out your opt-in form, you want that information to be accurately transferred over from your site builder to your email marketing provider. So that's what that API connection does. And we're going to walk you through. If you click on this link, it's going to take you right over to a video that shows you how to do that. You're going to also need an understanding of your ideal customers. So if you need a little more training on how to make that happen, all you need to do is click on this button. We're also going to show you a customer journey diagram, because you're going to basically, before you can set up your system, you need to know the flow that you want your customers to take when they set up, when they request more information, or when they become a lead in your lead generation system. So you can map that out, or you can just write it out on a napkin, or grab a piece of paper and a pen and just map it out. Step 1, step 2, step 3. But if you want to see what a customer journey diagram looks like, you can click on this button. You're going to need a valuable offer. So you need something that you can give to your potential customers that will be of value to them. It's basically called a lead magnet, but we kind of made this two separate areas, because creating a valuable offer is important. And if you're not sure how to create a valuable offer, then you want to click here. If you want instructions on how to create your lead magnet using Canva or a tool like Canva, then you want to click here. Next, you're going to need an opt-in form. So you're going to need, in your site or landing page builder, you're going to need the ability to create an opt-in form. So this is an opt-in form, and it explains exactly what an opt-in form is. And then this is a video that shows you some of the formatted, done for you opt-in templates that you can use if you buy Thrive Suite. They actually come as part of the Thrive Suite membership. So when you get Thrive Suite, you don't have to worry about having templates that you can use. They come with the package. And then a landing page. So this, when you click on this, it's going to tell you how to create a landing page. And if you're not sure what a landing page is or how to create one, this is going to give you some great information. You're also going to need a thank you page. So if you're not sure how to set up a thank you page, this is going to be a link that you might want to check out. And then last but not least, we have an email welcome series. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to an article that shows you what you might want to think about when you set up your first email welcome series. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This looks like a lot of information, but we're going to break it down for you in the next videos. But wanted to give you this rundown on what you're going to need to get your system set up. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I hope to see you on the next video where we're going to actually take you behind the scenes and show you how to set up your system. All right, thank you so much.